hydrogen peroxide. Oh wait, look, it's doing something.
Didn't he pour regular in it? Yeah. Mom, he poured regular in it. It's coming out, guys. Yeah, but he poured regular in it.
Where's the? Go grab the regular peroxide. Do you know what it is?
Okay, can I go a little faster now? Oh. Yeah, so yeah, that's what it is.
At least it worked.
It's like non-stopping.
It doesn't stop.
Oh.
Oh no.
It just keeps going and going and going.
I know.
I don't know how it must have been liquid. We needed the liquid form, not the cream. So what do you think of that experiment?
Awesome!
Let's see, what do you think?
Scary.
Can I touch it?
Yes? Cool?
Can I touch it?
Yay! It's warm. It's a little warm.
Oh, it is warm.
Is it warm?
Yeah, it's warm.
That is warm. That's wild.
It's warm.
Hot. Feel it. It's warm.
Yeah, that is warm. That is warm. Can you put on my goggles a little bit? Thanks.
That's good if it gets up to